Yo guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Lab. Here is one of our shop trucks that we have here. We are currently working on another one. As y'all can tell, we are still here in 110 degree Phoenix, Arizona, getting ready to move to Houston to our new shop. And this one is one that we just previously bought. And so far we put some bigger tires on it and a lift kit. We're gonna make multiple trips moving equipment over to our new shop. But in the last trip we took another Ford down there and it broke down on us about 5 times, so hopefully Betty over here doesn't break down on us as much as that one did. So here we are back at the shop where Dion's working overtime on this Maserati. May I say, the country's cheapest Maserati. And Dion, why don't you tell us some more about this car?
Well, as he mentioned, it is in fact the country's cheapest Maserati that we have been able to find. We bought this car on Craigslist for $4,200 due to the fact that it was involved in a previous accident right about here on this quarter panel. It was poorly repaired, so the guy had priced it very cheap. However, we've taken it upon ourselves to repair it properly. At the same time, we've fixed a few other little dings and dents and scratches and gotten it ready for paint. Currently, we are working on a one-off body kit for this car since we weren't able to find a lot of things available for this thing. We got a full custom side skirt, rear lip, and front lip that will hopefully add a lot more character to this vehicle. As soon as the bodywork is done on these parts, we will be painting the whole car a Lamborghini orange pearl. What else?
Pretty much done for the low. So what else are you doing to keep this car budget?
So as it is the cheapest car out there, cheapest Maserati in the country, we're trying to do the whole build on a low budget as well. So with that in mind, trying to keep the cost of paint down, we've vinyl wrapped the trunk in carbon fiber, the hood as well, and we will be doing the roof just to eliminate some of the areas that need to be painted on this vehicle. So we will only be painting the sides and the bumpers, which will hopefully turn out to be a pretty cool color combination. Along with that, we have gone and deleted the original mufflers and tips, straight piped it, and put some nice cool tips on there. We've also already tinted the taillights, and we've gone ahead and limo tinted the windows. So the only thing left really is going to be the paint job, putting the wheels back on this thing, and hitting the road.
So what kind of wheels are going on this thing?
These are 22-inch niche wheels. They actually came on the car when we bought it, so we got lucky that we didn't have to buy new wheels.
Talk about on the budget.
Yep, low budget. These calipers here, it's already got a nice big brake kit on it. We're gonna resurface the rotors, and we're gonna paint the calipers orange to match the car, and then we'll be doing Maserati lettering and the carbon fiber to match all the accents.
So that's gonna be it for this video. Like I said, hopefully by next time y'all see it, we'll be out in Houston. So y'all guys stay tuned.